Is your Toshiba portable air conditioner acting up? Resetting it can often solve common problems and get your unit working properly again. You should reset your air conditioner when you notice inconsistent operation, error lights flashing, unresponsiveness to controls, or if it fails to start after a power outage. The most common and effective reset method is unplugging. First, turn off your AC unit, then unplug it from the wall outlet. Wait 10 to 12 seconds, or even up to a minute for some models, then plug it back in. Some Toshiba models have reset buttons. Check your remote control for a reset button, or look inside the unit's access panel for a reset button on the control panel. Press and hold the button for a few seconds to reset. After completing the reset process, your Toshiba portable air conditioner should return to its original state and clear any lingering error settings, allowing it to operate normally again. Before resetting your Toshiba portable air conditioner, there are several important checks you should perform to identify and potentially resolve the issue without a reset. First, verify that your unit is properly connected to power. Check that the power cord is securely plugged into a working electrical outlet and that any circuit breakers haven't tripped. Next, examine your air filters. Dirty or clogged filters are one of the most common causes of air conditioning problems, restricting airflow and reducing cooling efficiency. Check for any obstructions that might be blocking airflow around your unit. Ensure there's adequate clearance around the air intake and exhaust areas, and remove any furniture, curtains, or debris that might interfere. Now let's verify your unit's settings are configured correctly for optimal cooling performance. Verify that your air conditioner is set to cool mode, not fan or dehumidify mode. The temperature setting should be significantly lower than the current room temperature to trigger cooling. After performing a reset, it's crucial to monitor your air conditioner's operation to ensure the reset was successful. Monitor the unit's operation carefully. Check if it starts properly, runs smoothly without unusual cycling, and most importantly, produces cold air at the expected temperature. If your air conditioner is still not cooling properly after the reset, there are several common issues to investigate. If the unit still isn't cooling effectively, first clean or replace the air filters. Dirty filters are the most common cause of poor cooling performance and can be easily resolved. If problems persist after filter cleaning, you may be dealing with more serious issues like refrigerant leaks or faulty thermostats. These require professional diagnosis and repair. To prevent future issues and maintain optimal performance, follow these essential maintenance practices. Clean your air conditioner regularly every 3 to 6 months to prevent dust and bacteria buildup. This includes cleaning filters, coils, and ensuring proper ventilation around the unit. Maintain a stable power supply to avoid electrical fluctuations that can damage your unit's components. Consider using a surge protector for additional protection against power surges.